Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into how ChatGPT can help you take charge of your finances like a pro. Whether you're managing a budget, saving for a big goal, or planning investments, this tool is a game changer. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success, but it can be overwhelming to know where to start or how to adjust as your life changes. But with ChatGPT, you can make budgeting less intimidating and more effective. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, I make $4,000 a month after taxes. My rent is $1,200, groceries are $400, and I want to save 20% of my income. Can you help me create a budget? And in seconds, you'll get a detailed breakdown that fits your situation. A great tip here is to get ChatGPT to highlight expenses that you might forget, like annual subscriptions or a regular cost. This makes sure that your budget is as realistic as possible. Saving isn't just about discipline. It's about creating systems that do the heavy lifting for you. And ChatGPT can help you set this up by working backward from your savings goals. For instance, you could ask, ChatGPT, I want to build an emergency fund of $10,000 in 12 months. How much should I save each month? And what tools can I use to automate it? Now, not only will you get the math from ChatGPT, but you can also get suggestions for high-yield savings accounts or apps that automate those savings. If your income fluctuates, ChatGPT can help you figure out how to save consistently by adjusting for months when things are tighter. Automation is key, and once you set it up, you're building wealth in the background without even thinking about it. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but the right plan can make it manageable. ChatGPT can break down repayment strategies like the snowball or avalanche method, which we've discussed previously. For example, ChatGPT, I have a $5,000 credit card balance at 20% interest and a $10,000 student loan at 6% interest. What's the best way to pay these off? Now, the tool will help you decide whether to tackle the smallest balance for quick wins or focus on high-interest debt to save money long-term. As you see progress, ask ChatGPT to help you refine your plan and explore more ways to stay motivated. Using ChatGPT to stay organized and track milestones can turn what feels like an uphill battle into a clear, step-by-step process. Investing is one of the best ways to grow wealth, but it can be intimidating to start out with. ChatGPT can simplify the process by breaking down terms and strategies in plain language. For example, ChatGPT, what's an index fund and why should I consider it? This is where ChatGPT shines. It helps you understand complex ideas without the jargon. You can also use it to map out strategies like dollar cost averaging or even create a plan for setting up an IRA. The key here is using ChatGPT as your personal finance educator so that you feel empowered to make smart decisions. Financial goals give your money direction. Whether it's saving for a down payment, planning a big trip, or retiring early, ChatGPT can help you break these dreams into actionable steps. For example, you might ask, ChatGPT, I want to save $25,000 for a down payment in 3 years. How should I plan for this? And you'll get a roadmap with monthly savings targets, advice on cutting unnecessary expenses, and ideas for increasing income. As an example, as your situation changes, you can revisit your plan and let ChatGPT guide you through those adjustments. Integrating ChatGPT into your goal-setting routine ensures that you're always on track and making progress. And that's going to do it for today. ChatGPT makes managing your finances a whole lot easier by helping you to create realistic budgets, automate your savings, tackling debt with confidence, and planning for your long-term goals. It's like having a personal financial assistant right at your fingertips. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. And as always, I want to encourage you to dream big, live well, and do great things. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.